Yo, what's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Rontrades, and we're back with another trade breakdown video. In today's video, guys, it's simply going to be going over my weekly breakdown for the upcoming week, which is going to be the week of October 30th through November 4th. We do have FOMC on Wednesday, and we have NFP on Friday. So my expectations, I'm just going to start here with the euro dollar. I'm going to be using the 8-hour time frame. This is where I'm doing my higher time frame bias, and we can go to more of the daily and weekly also if you want to. So obviously for the weekly time frame, I'm looking to see price obviously draw down inside of this fair value gap. I want to see price draw down here, so it's going to be my draw on liquidity here. So I want to see if price wants to continue to keep reaching down for this fair value gap. Going to my daily time frame, looking at what we did here on last week, price ran up inside of these two. Well, there's one up close candle here, so my order block here. So we ran up inside of a daily order block last week, and we created a nice CB. I'm going to use this as my CB here on a daily. So I want to see price come back and fill this in. So going to my 8-hour time frame, and this is where we're going to stop at. I'm not going any lower than that. I'm gonna delete this off my chart here. So with the narrative that the weekly is drawing to this weekly fair value gap and the daily time frame ran up inside of a daily order block, I'm going to be using the 8-hour time frame as my bellwether. I want to see price push up inside of this 8-hour CB. It's going to be that same daily CB also. With the narrative, keep in mind, with the narrative that we're still trying to draw towards that weekly fair value gap. For this trade to be invalidated for me, if I see price go up and close above here, I'm going to invalidate my bias for the simple fact that we had an imbalance here. It got rebalanced, moved away. If we're bearish, we're not going to go back above here and close. So for FOMC and NFP week, I want to see some manipulation. So I want to see this week open up and attack higher to get everyone to think that we're going to continue to keep going long. And then around Wednesday, I want to see the high of the week made. So I'm looking for the high of the week be made on Wednesday or Tuesday. 9 times out of 10 is probably going to be made on Wednesday or Thursday. So I want to see price come up inside of here and make the high of the week. I want to see a 2022 model signature or OTE formation signature once price gets up inside of here. And I'm going to be targeting this low just for like a first take profit. Then obviously for a long-term swing, I want to see price get down inside of that weekly fair value gap that I mentioned. So it's going to be Euro USD. Let's go to DXY real quick. Okay. So you got to see right here, this is pretty much what I got for the DXY. I'm going to just go to the weekly time frame real quick. So for the weekly time frame, obviously, we're trying to reach up inside of what? This inefficiency right here, this fair value gap. That's where we're trying to go. This is where the market is trying to draw to. So I'm still going to go with the bulls that we're trying to reach up inside of here. Then once we get inside of here, obviously we can see a correction. But for right now, I'm still want to see this thing continue to keep pushing up inside of this weekly fair value gap inefficiency. Going to my daily. The daily, same thing on the daily, same premises. As you can see, let me make my screen a little bit bigger. As you can see here, we came down, took out sell side on last week. So we had sell side run. So we had sell stops taken. Notice how we couldn't close below these sell stops. That's an indication that we're still trying to move higher for me. We had a shift in market structure coming up here, taking out this short-term high. Now I want to see an OTE retracement on the daily and 8-hour time frame. So I want to see price push back down inside of this daily fair value gap. Let's go to my 8-hour. So like I say, I use the 8-hour as my bellwether. This is where I really trust price at on the 8-hour time frame. So once again, on an 8-hour time frame, we had last week, we had sell stops. So we took out sell stops here. So we had a sell side raid. We had an immediate shift. Notice, look at this. Look at this. Sell side raid, immediate shift. Immediate. We literally ran away. The moment we took out sell stops, we immediately ran away with displacement. If I see price retrace back down inside of what? We got two things going on here, guys. We got a daily OTE formation and we got a 8-hour BISI. So seeing price tap inside of this 8-hour BISI or potentially reach inside of the 62 level or the 75 level, I'm seeing this OTE form just because we have FOMC and NFP this week. So I'm seeing a lot of manipulation. So like I said, I want to see price push down, right, to start this week to get everyone short. And I want to see a correction here. I want to see manipulation. So I really want to see like a power 3 accumulation. Manipulation, accumulation, and distribution type of move. So that's what I'm looking for this week, guys. If I don't get this set up, I'm not going to do anything. And once again, the reason I'm making this video is to hold myself accountable to follow my rules. This is not a signal. If you see something different, do that. Don't listen to me. I'm only making this video to hold myself accountable. I don't really care about giving signals or trying to predict where the market is going. I don't care about that. Never did. So it's going to be the end of this video. Hopefully this setup plays out. I will let you guys know if it plays out. Obviously, I will post a trade. I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. And as always, man, trade safely.